Is real estate a good investment? Gerhard Walter says, for many prospective investors, real estate is appealing because it is a tangible asset that can be controlled, with the added benefit of diversification. Real estate investors who buy property own something concrete for which they can be accountable. When you buy real estate, you acquire physical land or property. Most real estate investors make money by collecting rents, which can provide a steady income stream, and through appreciation, as the property's value goes up. Also, since real estate can be leveraged, it's possible to expand your holdings even if you can't afford to pay cash outright. Investing in real estate is a great idea if you are in it for the long haul, not a quick return. Your best bet is investing in residential properties that produce rental income year-round. Just make sure you understand all of the associated legal fees and are prepared for unexpected costs. The right investment will continue to appreciate. This has been my experience so far in regards to cryptocurrency investment with Crypto Assets Bay, where I am eligible to earn between 10% to 35% return on investment after a period of 15 business days, depending on my selected investment plan. Real estate is real, and it's always a good idea to put your money in real assets. But let me be clear, that doesn't mean that all real estate is a good idea. I only buy certain types of properties, generally multifamily ones in upscale locations that provide consistent cash flow and great potential for future appreciation. I stay away from low-income areas and single-family homes. But even those assets are probably a better place to store your money than letting cash depreciate while sitting in the bank. Many businesses come and go, but there's one thing we'll always need: land. There's an inherent demand for real estate, whether the land produces a product like coffee or is home to an apartment or retail space, so it will always be a good investment. No matter what kind of business you run, you need land. Siddharth Luthra says, to begin with, real estate is the ideal long-term investment choice. There are many methods to invest in real estate, ranging from taking out a house loan to establishing a nationwide property empire. While the other one is likely out of reach for most of us, there are plenty of alternative possibilities. You probably don't want to be a landlord if you've ever had one. It doesn't appear that taking calls about giant bugs and overflowing toilets is the most exciting profession in the world. However, if done correctly, real estate investing may be profitable, though not spectacular. It can help you diversify your current investment portfolio while also providing an extra source of income. And many of the finest real estate ventures don't necessitate attending to every whim of a renter. Do you know that real estate has long been the most popular investment choice in the United States? And it is currently becoming more popular than other popular investment options? Real estate was named the greatest long-term investment in a 2016 Gallup poll, beating out gold, stocks and mutual funds, savings accounts, CD and bonds. It's the same in India, where the emotional fulfillment that comes with owning a home is essentially high. And the good news is that analysts believe the Indian real estate market has already begun to revive after hitting rock bottom in recent quarters. Real estate is regarded as one of the safest investment areas in the world. It is the second largest employer in India, behind agriculture, and is expected to grow at a rate of 30% over the next decade. Bull State says, it is a great investment option for generating ongoing passive income and is a very good option for long-term investment, increasing your profitable amount with time. Real estate investment is termed as the safest sector in the world. In India, after the agriculture sector, real estate is the second largest generator for employment. Real estate is almost the risk-free field for investing money into compared to stocks. Anyone at any time can invest in the real estate without any special skill requirement. Whereas trading in a stock needs some skills and knowledge to invest and is a very risky field of investment. Thanks for watching our video on Is Real Estate a Good Investment?